Okay, the subject for today, and this is take number 4, and if my neighbours don't shut up, I'm going to start machine gunning them, is fun and funny. So, being very grammatical just for a brief second here, fun is used to talk about a noun, a thing, okay? So, you would say that Disneyland is fun, okay? Or Thailand is fun, if you've ever been to Thailand, or which is my spiritual home. But you can't say that Thailand or Disneyland is funny, okay? Because I am going to start machine gunning the neighbours. Where was I? Funny, yes. Funny is our reaction to something. So a joke is funny because it makes us laugh. So funny, again, if you're being very grammatical, is basically a describing word, it's an adjective. So you can't say that Disneyland is funny, it doesn't make sense, okay? But you could say that the characters in Disneyland Orlando were really funny because it made you laugh. Funny is going to Thailand, picking up a Thai woman and discovering it's actually a ladyboy. Don't ask me how I know. So that's the basic separation. But the trouble is, of course, this is English and not everything works like that. Because when we talk about people, people can be both fun and funny. I can say to you, I have a friend who's really good fun. Okay, we're talking about that person as a thing, an object. But I can also say that person is really funny, meaning that person makes me laugh. So that's the basic gist of fun and funny. Invariably, my clients get this completely wrong every single time, no matter how much I try to explain it to them. So, I don't know, maybe there's something wrong in the way I'm explaining it. Who knows? See you in the next one. Bye.